Now, I avoid politics because it's fucking boring and depressing. They always using those big words. You've seen my videos. I'm the opposite of politics. I'm a rainbow. Sit your sexy fat ass down. Because it's time for a story time. So I was recording a voice message.
You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Smethwick, Birmingham. If you want the fucking brawl, come down Smethwick, ask for Danny G. I'll come out my house and I'll break your fucking legs.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry for one. Help! Help! My leg!
Voice message to my twin while I was cooking eggs, and at one point I paused the recording. I got distracted with a realization. Are eggs chicken fetuses? Because eggs are pre-ordered chicken. If they indeed are fetuses, then it's alive. Right? And we are eating chicken babies. No. And as you can probably guess, isn't that the same with humans? The whole abortion discussion. Some people say fetuses is alive.
Yo guys, it's me, Charlie.
And abortion is murder. But they walk home and eat eggs, which are chicken fetuses. Am I going crazy or am I onto something? Now calm down, okay? I'm a man, so I have no say, nor should I, in anything abortion related. But eggs? You can't stop me. Can vegans say abortion is murder? Because the chicken egg is chicken, and if they eat egg, they eat chicken. What am I talking about? Okay, so I was kind of going crazy after realizing this, because if I swallow eggs, can they hatch in my stomach? And then I go number 2 and birth chickens in the McDonald's bathroom. It was all part of my plan. That's what they get for removing the frappe with salted caramel. Damn! That shit good! And if they hatch, does that make me the dad or mom? Or what if you could transfer a human fetus to another human? Will that make them co-mom? I don't know. I still eat eggs. I just left while I'm frying them. Like that one YouTuber that made a monster come out of an egg.
BS! Barbecue chicken alert! Barbecue chicken alert!